Wireless Hotel Lock Solution Hardware Connection Guide. After installing the software, log in first and complete the basic settings in order. This is the variable information that can be used in all template contents. You can add variable and customize editing templates and enable them. Step 1. In normal operation, you only need to connect to the WAN port to access the internet and communicate with software. The LAN port is used only when configuring device management settings. Step 2. Allow PC access to the gateway's default 82 subnet. Step 3. Access the gateway admin panel. Default backend address 192.168.82.1. Default username, root, password, admin. If your network environment allows DHCP, the gateway will automatically obtain the IP address to access the network. If your network environment uses a fixed IP mode, configure it here. After filling in the information according to the actual situation of your own network environment, click Save and Apply. Step 4. The gateway must also configure the server address to establish a connection with the server. Default port 18088. Keep consistent with the requirements in the software. Due to the different firewall settings of this, it is necessary to add both the gateway and software ports to the TCP and UDP whitelists by default. Step 5. Log into the software, search for and add gateway devices. It is recommended to modify the name of the added gateway to building floor room number range. Step 6. Enable the gateway network configuration mode and issue a default net card. A specific model of card issuing equipment is required to issue cards. The lock will automatically connect to the gateway. That has enabled the network configuration mode within 10 seconds. If the connection times out, 2 beeps will sound and will flash red light. If the connection is successful, 2 beeps will sound and won't flash red light. Step 7. After successful network configuration, click Refresh and the lock will automatically connect to the software. Step 8. Select the room to which the lock is to be bound, and change the lock name to be consistent with the room name. Step 9. You can first enter the guest's mobile phone number or email, then click Search. If the guest has registered before, the system will automatically fill in other information. Make it easy for administrators to enter information. This room type can check into 2 people. When a card has been issued for 1 person, others can continue to issue cards or check in without card issuance. Click the room icon to view the information of the guests checking in. Step 10. After a successful check-in, the customer will receive an email. Clicking the link in the email allows access to the H5 interface. Enter the email address registered at check-in on the H5 login interface, and obtain the verification code to log in. After logging in successfully, the 3 icons at the bottom of the interface can be used to view the hotel address, hotel phone number, and hotel official website respectively. Click the lock icon in the middle of the interface to remotely open the door. Step 12. Right-click the corresponding room to check out and cancel card operations. For the same room, both cards need to undergo the cancel card operation. Rooms that have been checked out will be automatically marked as pending cleaning. After completing the cleaning work, the front desk should be notified to change the room status to vacant for check-in. Thank you! Wishing you great success with your business!